Hi, this is Dr. Jason Dulac coming to you from my office in Springfield, Virginia. I get a lot of questions in the office about whitening, especially out there over-the-counter products, and you can get it at med spas and on cruise ships and things like that. So I wanted to answer some of the common questions I get about whitening, help you make an informed decision. So all forms of whitening are safe and effective. Being said, I wouldn't get the non-FDA approved product offline off Amazon or something like that. But Crest White Strips, Opalescence, a lot of companies make an over-the-counter product, safe and effective. All whitening gels and products are basically hydrogen peroxide derivatives. So the gel has something that breaks down into hydrogen peroxide and water. It's just a matter of concentration of the material and how long you keep it on the teeth. So I would always start with the recommended time that's on the box, and then you can start to move it up. Totally normal to get sensitivity with whitening. My brother hit me in the face with a board when I was a kid, so I've got crack lines up and down my front teeth. So in that rare percentage of people, about 5% that teeth are too sensitive to whiten. So I actually don't whiten my teeth, but it's not because it's not safe and effective. It's just because the sensitivity I get from it bothers me more than the actual whitening. That being said, I am in the minority. 95% of people, they feel the sensitivity. Some people don't, but they like the result they get from the whitening. Does not hurt the tooth at all, does not hurt the enamel at all, does not break down the tooth. Completely safe, completely effective, no matter which product you use. The over-the-counter of the product, it's not going to be the best application of the material. If you want a better application of the material, we can make you a custom tray. You put the gel on the tray at home and you do it yourself at home. Anywhere from 15 minutes up to overnight, depending on what strength of material you'd like. Much better delivery mechanism, still does take time at home. In theory, with these options, you're supposed to be able to get the same results as the professional in-office whitening. I've not found that to be the case. Most of my patients prefer the in-office whitening. They like the immediate result. They like the fact that they don't have to do it at home. My wife whitens. She still likes to come in now and again and get the Zoom in-office whitening. So very safe, effective, 3 or 4 15-minute cycles with the light in the mouth. It takes about 90 minutes to 2 hours. Comes with the take-home trays. So at my office, the take-home trays are $300. The Zoom is $600, or we give $50 discount if I'm not in the office. It's one of the procedures the assistants can do when I'm not in the office. So Fridays or days that I'm doing CE or training, we usually give a $50 discount. Most of my patients love the Zoom. They love the immediate results, but it really just depends on what's right for you. They all work. There are no cons of tooth whitening. I would recommend doing it professionally. I don't really know what materials and products they're using at other locations. At any dental office, you're always going to get an FDA approved product that you know is safe and approved by the FDA for safe use in the mouth. But yeah, other than a little sensitivity after the procedure, which will go away in a day or two. So it's very immediately that it goes away. So you stop whitening, it goes away in a couple days. Other than a little sensitivity, no downside to the procedure, very safe for the tooth, very effective. Will give you that really bright smile, kind of make the teeth pop as we age, and the enamel, the white outer coating of the tooth thins, and the core of the tooth, the yellow part gets denser, it gets darker. That's normal with age. If you want to get your teeth back to that bright, color they were in their 20s, whitening is a very safe and very cost-effective way to do that, especially in comparison to other procedures. At my office, we also give free whitening for anyone who does Invisalign or clear aligner therapy. You can use those trays as bleaching trays, so I just give you the bleach for free. So it's kind of a benefit of doing Invisalign in my office. If you have any questions about whitening, whether it's an over-the-counter product or some of the professional products we went over, give us a call at the office. Any one of my staff should be able to answer those for you, the hygienists, the assistants. They'd love to see it in the office. And whitening is one of those cool things we get to do where people really smile and say like, wow, at the end of it. So there's some photos on Facebook and online of people saying, wow, they can't believe it's their teeth when it's done. So it's a very gratifying experience, even though, it's just a minor cosmetic procedure. Please give us a call, 703-451-4500 if you want to learn more, or on our website, dulacdds.com. Thanks so much.